Good morning, everybody. I hope you're doing well this morning. I thought I would come home back down the Seine River. I stopped here at Heather Park. Right behind me is the Archwood Community Centre, and just off to the left here, my left anyway, is the St. Boniface Golf Course. If you have a chance, the Seine River makes a beautiful place to come and explore in the wintertime. Of course, in the summertime, you can paddle it. Right now, just this area, there was a lot of surface water here, so the surface is quite slippery and bumpy right now, so not great for riding or walking, but it's all frozen, so you're not going to go through. Anyway, if you get a chance, come explore the Seine. Bye. All right, I dropped down onto the river near Tremblay, went past Archwood and then past St. Boniface and up to Windsor Park. I pulled off the river at Egerton and Humboldt. It was just a scary, hard ride. There must have been a water main break, and the surface is just ice, not flat ice, but really, really lumpy and bumpy and kind of scary to ride. Anyway, I'll just post that. Bye.